रोहनले गाडी चलाइरहेछ है and then Nagma is on the back seat and she's the co-pilot though even she's at the back. हामी कहाँ जाँदै रह्यो नगमा?
हामी चाहिँ Cloud Canyon State Park मा जाँदै
So हामी चाहिँ Cloud Canyon State Park जाँदै अनि अहिले fall colorले गर्दा it looks really really beautiful है यहाँदेखिको drive Chattanooga Tennessee बाट and then the state park is almost about a 20 minutes drive है.
It's in Georgia, though.
20 minutes drive. It's in Georgia, so see how beautiful it looks.
Technically 30 minutes. I know.
It's really pretty.
Alright guys, so we're in the park and we just paid $5 and in the boat. But we're inside the park, so we'll show you guys what's there. Yeah, we gotta see where we want to go, eh?
Yeah, she did give me a
Cottages, back county
I think
campsite.
we're gonna go
Let's
straight.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the waterfall first, I guess.
Who said straight?
I said so.
So, like we're getting ready for the trail, the overlook trail, right, guys?
Yeah, let's go to the
And
waterfall.
Rohan and Nagma is right there, and so we're ready. We are ready, guys. We are ready for the trail. So this is from the main overlook of the park. It's pretty beautiful, especially the fall colors of those mountains, trees. Oh, there's a small dog. Alright. There's the other one here too. Looks like they don't like me. Alright guys, so after the main overlook trail we're gonna head up to the waterfall. This is the waterfall trail. Pretty easy trail so far. Gotta see the mark on the trees. चिसो है? के गरेको थियो? ट्याटु देखाउनलाई हुन नि हो यत्रो 1 लाख खर्च गरेर रहेछ तपाईँको भने beautiful sir.
Oh, त्यहाँ कस्तो राम्रो देखाएर नि त्यो
कहाँ? Alright guys, so when you come here there's two waterfalls. One is Cherokee Falls and the other is the Hemlock Falls on the right. So this time we're gonna try Cherokee Falls. Let's go.
Let's do it. You first, dude.
Alright, let's go. It's a lot of steps to the fall. It's right there though. A lot of leaves. Getting ready for the winter. Trees are getting ready for the winter. Alright guys, so this is the waterfall. Cherokee waterfall in this Cloudland State Park. Cloudland Canyon State Park. Okay. Alright, Ron is trying to set up his drone and we're trying to take some beautiful pictures, beautiful videos from the drone. He's got this, what's the name of the drone, buddy?
It's a DJI Spark.
DJI drone. And it has autopilot too or no?
It does.
Okay, so you're not gonna crash it. You won't crash it, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna take manual control oil, so I don't know. Probably not gonna crash, but if it crashes, it crashes, man.
You're gonna get a new one. Videos you can record it and unrecord it. Okay, drone's ready to go. He's about to fire the drone. There it goes. Right? Video capture कर देना था